To accomplish the goals of the Earth's first space nation, Asgardia must, above all else, have citizens in space. This will require construction of an orbital habitat, capable of safely providing a home for a crew of at least 6. This could require decades of research and development, and hundreds of millions of dollars invested. Luckily for Asgardia, this work has already been done. Robert Bigelow has dreamed of orbital habitats since at least 1998, when he founded Bigelow Aerospace in Las Vegas, Nevada, and invested over $750 million of his own money into making it a reality. When NASA could no longer fund research on the Transhab inflatable habitat, Mr. Bigelow bought the rights to the intellectual property and completed what NASA had started. The Bigelow habitats are made of multi-layer ballistic fabric, more resistant to micrometeoroids than the metal of the International Space Station. The habitats also have a water layer that, along with the radiation-absorbing materials of the fabric, help reduce radiation exposure. The habitats are 16.88 meters long and 6.7 meters in diameter. They are complete with solar power arrays and life support systems capable of maintaining a crew of 6 almost indefinitely. This design has been tested in space and proven to be effective. The crew could be sponsored by nations who want to access space but cannot afford to go it alone. The citizens would live in a 330 cubic meter volume where they would carry out experiments and perform groundbreaking research. Martian and lunar gravity experiments on mice would very quickly tell us how much gravity is necessary for normal function and provide us with solutions to the problems of bone and muscle loss. The B-330 Nautilus orbital station was completed and planned to be launched on an Atlas V in 2020. The global pandemic caused Bigelow to have to lay off its employees and shut down operations until at least the end of 2021. The easiest way to make the goals of Asgardia a reality is to partner with Bigelow Aerospace. This is a unique opportunity that will not come again, for Asgardia to provide a real home for its citizens in space. An orbital research center where scientific research can flourish. There are commercial opportunities also. Low attenuation fiber optic cables and 3D printed organs are just a few examples of benefits to humanity that can only be produced in zero gravity. Companies working on these solutions would sponsor experiments and production facilities on the habitat. These habitats can be expanded and linked to grow as operations and opportunities increase. If Asgardia will help sponsor the delivery of this completed space station, it will have a foothold in the new frontier. The time to act is now. All over the world, when humanity looks up into the dark of space, they will see the light of Asgardia beckoning them to join us in our quest to create the future.